Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am leveling up my vanilla extract game. Remember that liquor bottle that I cleaned in my last video? Well, it's back, and it's not just any bottle, it's tinted glass, which is perfect for extracts because it protects them from the sunlight. So it's cute, fancy, different, and the best part is it's free. If you try to buy a tinted glass bottle, they can be a little expensive. So here's the plan. I've got my 1-year-old homemade vanilla extract and I'm moving it to the larger green bottle so that I can make even more. Now, ideally, I would have decanted this, what I had in this jar, before adding more beans, but hey, hindsight's 2020. I didn't think about it at the time. No big deal. I also have some store-bought extract that I can finish up in the meantime. Since half of this new batch would have already been steeping for a year, I'm just tossing in new beans today and I'll decant it again in about 8 weeks. This gives the fresh beans time to work their magic. And after that, this basically lives forever on my shelf. When it gets low, I'll just top it off with some spiced brandy and there's no need to constantly replace the beans. So about a year ago when I made my first batch, I must have cut some of the vanilla beans in half. So I'm just digging them out of the jar now. I'm trying to get every single morsel from this jar into my bigger, prettier green bottle. Then I will pour the extract on top. These beans are a flavor powerhouse and I don't want to waste a single bit. So you're seeing me get those tiny vanilla beans off my fingers, and then I'm using some of my spiced rum in the jar to kind of get everything at the bottom, the little sediments, from the bottom and into the green bottle. If I were making vanilla bean paste today, that would be perfect, but I'll save that project for another day. For now, they'll just stay whole, cut in half, infusing away and building layer after layer of vanilla flavor. Having vanilla on hand is so important in my kitchen. I use it in my smoothies. I use it when I make almond milk. I use it when I make my coffee creamers. So I'm always in need of vanilla and it's so expensive when you buy it at the store. So I hope that you feel inspired and see how easy it is to just make your own at home. You just need some good vanilla beans and some spiced rum, and your container can be any size. I just go bigger because I know how much I use on a regular basis. And I will eventually decant this big green bottle into a smaller bottle, and the smaller bottle is what I keep out and use on a regular basis. This bigger bottle is going to go on a shelf in the dark and I will just pull it out when I need it. And that's it. Simple, affordable, and really rewarding. Homemade vanilla extract in the bottle that's as beautiful inside as it is outside. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and I'll see you next time.